Sunday fun day nga pala namin ngayon dito sa Ayala Mall Circuit, Makati. And for us, the best way to do it is to spend time with these two cute American bullies. By the way guys, this is Riot. Riot is an imported American bully from Romania. And eto naman si ABKC champion, Bane. First time nga pala mapunta ni Riot at Bane dito sa Ayala Mall Circuit, Makati, and we found a good spot. Ito nga yung The Barkyard. Sobrang swerte namin ito mga oras na ito kasi kami lang yung tao dito sa spot. And you'll see here na talagang nag-e-enjoy itong dalawa. It's really good to go out with your dogs once in a while kasi aside from exercise, dito rin nade-develop yung bonding ng owner or ng handler together with the dogs. And if you are into conformation shows like us, eto na rin yung time para mag-practice kayo. Also, aside from bonding and exercise, magandang opportunity na rin ito para ma-develop yung confidence ng aso to go out and mingle with other people and other dogs as well.